Hello everyone, I'm Joao, real estate consultant in the center of Portugal, and today I'm in Povoa Rio de Moinhos. Povoa Rio de Moinhos, Povoa Rio de Moinhos, stay 11 kilometers north with Castelo Branco, and I have a historic house in the center of the village, Povoa Rio de Moinhos, with a big garden, big house, centenary houses, okay, for rebuilding. Beautiful garden inside the house. It's similar to a museum. It's important house in that village, and hope you like it because I think it's interesting to see that video. Singular property, sure about that. It's need investment, but very interesting in my opinion. See the video, learn the description, and if you have any question, please contact me because it's a pleasure to try to help. Okay, see you and stay safe. Okay, the property starts here. I'm going inside to the garden, of course, for present you. Remember that the first door. I stay behind the houses, the garden area. All that hold is the property. I'm sure you see the drone's views and that and help to understand. That is the door for enter the car or where you want it. The more big entrance for the garden. That part is the more recently in the house. Yeah, they have connection for the another. Okay. One garage more, and the houses is all that big roof. Okay, there finished. There, okay, that is the border. All that house, it's granite. Okay, it's yeah, it's possible to see here that is granite rocks. Okay, all that. The windows it changed, not original. It's aluminium and single glass, but you need rebuilding. I'm not sure if it's important or not in that case. Okay. That answer for another garage. I tell you, and start to visit the first floor. Okay, and after going visit the down floor, the garage and the garden. Okay, it's an old house. All need works. Have a big area. Okay, that's the more important, and they have beautiful parts. If you want maintenance, I think it's very important in that case or that, but you decide. Here the access for the roof. Okay. The wood is not bad, but I'm not sure if it's okay to maintain that roof and do works downstairs. I'll do all new, but that's the roof, wood, and I think it's original roof. Okay, let's continue. One division more. The house stay original. Easy to see. I think it's easy to understand that. Have a lot of old equipment and storage materials, books and all. Here you have a problem in the roof when you're going after. See, now it's okay, don't rain here, but it rained. When he hears you rain here, now don't rain, because the owner arranged that and they create a solution. Because the tiles move it up the weather. Another roof, one more. That books, it's very old. I think it's important collection, and they have a lot. Believe the original room, I think. Okay, that is the windows change. Single glass aluminum equipment. It's, I think it's similar to a museum. Parts of the house, of course. You have different level. I believe you see that outside. That's the motive. I presented part of the roof, and now I present the last bedroom. That way you have views for the garden. The garden do that house, and I start the video there. You remember the small door? I do that, and the big door there. All that green area, it's the garden, but I'm going there after. Let me present house first. Here the access for the roof. Another roof, you have two floors, you have different roofs, okay? But similar roof, wood too. And here is that you have problem with the tiles. They move and start to rain here. Better than more light, better for you see. And okay, let's down and continuing the visit. I turn back to the principal enter of the house. Okay, I believe you remember that. I start here the presentation inside the house, and now going that way because house continuing for here. Okay, again the views for the garden. Other room here. And here, I believe it's not original, that part. I believe that is the door, not a principal door, not principal door, but the border for unfinished house here, because here is cement, okay? All that construction, not rocks and not wood. You have a terrace here. It's in the corner of the house. I do that walking, and that way the house stay in the corner of the street. Okay, it's a more recent kitchen. The windows is similar. It's a single glass and aluminium. And here you have one access for the garden. If you want to cross here, you have access directly to the garage, maybe. I think it's the correct name for the principal front of the house here. Okay. It's here. More small division there. You see, upstairs stayed the kitchen. Okay. The garden. It's all flat. I believe that part is for vegetables and that, maybe. Yeah, stones for the border. The access. And the land is 100% flat. It's possible using all. Another door to access when you start the video outside is there. Yeah, here you have 3 or 4 steps. You have lemons, orange, 2 or 3, not a lot. One well. That here, it's a well. Of course, the house will connect all the system of electricity, juice, and main water. Okay. That is the border. Still right is the house. Another is the neighbor. Okay, that is the border again. And you have to access the ground floor. Let's start to visit that. It's an old garage, maybe for the animal's car or wines, I don't know. But you have beautiful rocks here. Beautiful area and old area. I sorry don't have more light, but the old doors, you have a code for open. It's not easy. It's easy to open, but not easy to close again. Okay, another division more. Here I opened the door. All the divisions have directly access to the public road. One only for walk. Another windows here, and here you have access for a car or something if you want it. Okay. Let's continuing. Another part, another access for the garden. And one door more to public road access. And the last part near the steps for the first floor. It's here, but before I have one more division, sorry for present you here. That it don't have there a small Okay, you put rocks is possible to stay better, but don't have a big windows or don't have a door. That's the division actually. Of course, you need to do works if you want. Change that, it's easy. And the last divisions before access to the principal door again. Okay, it's that. Here you have another door. Okay, all the division, if you want to create independent access, you have it. Okay, and the principal door step again, and that's it. You know, I hope you like it, that video. It's a different product. I don't have that, but I like a lot. I think it's very interesting, that houses, different investment of course, but hope you like it. And you know, if you need any information about that or another property, and the information don't stay in the description, or please contact me. Okay, it's a pleasure, try to help. See you.